Hello, food explorers. Welcome back to Blogging Good Food, your go-to source for delicious recipes and culinary inspiration. Today we have got a mouth-watering treat for you. Delicious chicken thighs recipes for the perfect dinner. First up, we are talking about succulent chicken thighs cooked to perfection in the oven. These oven-baked beauties are a family favorite, and the best part, they are super easy to make, perfectly golden and packed with flavor. If you are all about the crispy goodness, check out these chicken thighs recipes for the air fryer. The air fryer works its magic, delivering that irresistible crunch without the excess oil. A quick and healthy option for the busy weekend. Now, let's talk about chicken thighs in the crock pot. Slow and steady wins the race. With these melt in your mouth crock top chicken thighs, set it and forget it for a comforting dinner. Time to explore the wonders of the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot makes these chicken thighs tender in no time, perfect for those days when you need dinner on the table. And let's not forget about the close cousin, the chicken legs. From classic drumstick to innovative air fryer creations, chicken legs offer endless possibilities for your dinner table. Let's bring it all together with a medley of sumptuous chicken thighs recipes. With these recipes in your arsenal, you will never run out of the ideas for the perfect dinner. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Elevate your chicken thigh game with these flavorful marinades. A good marinade can transform ordinary chicken thighs into extraordinary culinary delight. Let your taste bud embark on a flavor-packed journey. It's time for the ultimate showdown. Oven versus air fryer. We are pitting these two cooking methods against each other to help you decide which one suits your taste and lifestyle. Let's find out which design supreme. That's a wrap for today's video on delicious chicken thighs recipe for the perfect dinner. If you want detailed instruction and more mouth-watering recipes, be sure to visit our website to blogginggoodfood.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more culinary delights.